Yeah, we had on the first day when the containers arrived, we had 10 containers. Nobody believed we can do that. I believed it because I know our team.
With all advantages of modern tunnel washers. It means high performance, very low consumption, and this first together.
Commissioning for about the program, the software, and then adjust for all the program.
This project is very special for me.
If you can make it, this project run smoothly and according to the plan, is a big achievement for us, basically for Titanic.
It will be great experience to our next project.
And we really thank our team who are really hardworking, as well as Malaysian team, Titanic team, Thai Kannegiesser team, as well as UK teams, German team, project managers from each, and all our contractors in making this project happen.